Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. I'm showing you another project that this is one aircraft that I've been trying to build for the longest time. I used to have this kit. I don't know what happened to it. I think it got lost in one of the many moves that I had. It was a Sterling's kit. This one here is actually made by Flyline Models Incorporated. The wingspan's 40 inches long, and it's a 1/2 scale with a 1525 engine. Of course, it'll be electric when I put it together, and the battery would go into this area right here. I have a cowling for it, which it's actually in one of my toolboxes, and again, I cannot find this kit anywhere. I don't know where it is, so I'm actually going to build one because I have the plans, which is even better. So I'm gonna build it. Definitely gonna keep it the same size and everything like that. I even have the templates, which are right here. And yeah, this is another airplane that definitely will be built within the next, who knows, soon, along with all the other projects that I'm working on, right? So yeah, hope to be able to get to this one of these days and crank it out. Of course, after I'm done with the Liberty Sport, I need to fly the Liberty Sport. I need to fly the EA Bipe, since the Liberty Sport and the EA Bipe have been kind of like a tryout for me to build more biplanes. This is one of those biplanes I really want to build. So stay tuned for more, guys. More to come, especially about this aircraft right here. Okay? Talk to y'all later. Model Man Frank out.